In today's video, I'll show you how to use the My Tasks view in Asana. My Tasks is your personal to-do list. It gathers every task assigned to you from across all your projects into one single place, so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's open it now. I'll click My Tasks in the left sidebar. Here we are. Notice how everything is grouped into handy sections down the page. Recently Assigned holds tasks that just landed on your plate. Below that, you'll see Due Today, Due Next Week, and Due Later, so you can plan when each piece of work actually happens. You're not stuck with just this list either. Along the top, there are different tabs. Let me click Board to see the very same tasks laid out as cards in columns, which is great for a visual overview. I'll head back to the List tab to keep things simple. Now let me add a task of my own. I'll click the Add Task button up top. I'll type a name for it, Review Q3 Vendor Quotes, and press Enter to save. And just like that, it drops straight into my recently assigned section, ready to go. Quick recap. My Tasks pulls all your assigned work into one view. It's organized into Recently Assigned, Due Today, Due Next Week, and Due Later. You can switch between List and Board tabs and add your own tasks anytime with the Add Task button. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.